In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert rows and columns in Excel. Open Microsoft Excel, then open the workbook you want to use. Once the sheet is on screen, you can start inserting rows and columns directly from the headers and the ribbon. First, insert a single column using the right-click menu. Click the column C header at the top of the sheet. This selects the entire department column. Right-click anywhere on that highlighted column, then choose Insert from the menu. Excel adds a new blank column to the left of the department column, and the department column, along with everything to the right of it, shifts over by one column. Next, insert a single row from the Home tab. Click the Row 5 header on the left side to select the whole row. Go to the Home tab in the ribbon at the top. In the Cells group on the right side of that tab, click the Insert button itself, using the top half of the Split button rather than the drop-down arrow. A new blank row appears above Row 5, and the row that was originally Row 5 moves down to Row 6. Now insert multiple columns at once. Click the column B header, then hold Shift and click the column D header. Columns B, C, and D should all be highlighted together. Right-click anywhere in that selected area and click Insert. Excel adds 3 blank columns to the left side of the selection, one new column for each column you selected. After that, insert multiple rows at once. Click the Row 8 header. Hold Shift and click the Row 10 header so rows 8, 9, and 10 are all selected. Right-click anywhere on the highlighted rows and choose Insert. 3 blank rows are added above Row 8, and the existing rows move downward. Finally, use the keyboard shortcut method. Click the Row 3 header to select the full row. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus the plus key on your keyboard. A new blank row is inserted above Row 3 right away. Then click the column header to select the first column. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus the plus key again. Excel inserts a new blank column to the left of column A. Your sheet now has new blank rows and columns exactly where you inserted them, and the existing data has shifted down or to the right without being overwritten. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.